One of the many ways to control something is by using a joystick. This can be utilized for applications such as controlling a car or a robotic arm. But before doing that, let's first learn how it works. Let's vault in. Before starting, let's take a look at the schematic. The joystick module is wired to the Arduino. The 5V and ground pins are connected to the 5V and ground of the Arduino. Then the horizontal and the vertical axes are connected to the A1 and A5 of the board. This is where we will read the X and Y outputs of the joystick. Lastly, we will connect the switch or the SW of the module to the D4 of the board. This will detect if the joystick is pressed or not, just like in console controllers where you can press down the analog sticks. Once that's done, let us first talk about the joystick module itself. It is composed of a switch to detect key presses and two potentiometers which will output different voltage levels depending on the position of the joystick. That's the basic build of this module. Next, we will connect the Arduino board to our PC and open the Arduino IDE. On top, we must first declare the pins to be used by the module, 1 for the switch and 2 for the X and Y outputs. Then, inside the setup function, we must first declare the switch as an output and set it to active low, meaning the state of the switch is normally open. Then for monitoring purposes, let's start the serial by setting the baud rate. In the loop function, we will read all inputs from the module for every 500 milliseconds. First, let's check for the state of the switch. We will print the state of the switch in the monitor. Then, for the X and Y positions, we will use the analog read function. If all is done, press the upload button and wait for the device to restart. Once restarted, we can now see the state of the switch as well as the X and Y positions in the serial monitor. To further improve the analog inputs, we can use a higher resolution for reading analog inputs. But that's for another video. I do hope this gave you a basic understanding on how this module works and how you can apply the concept for your future robotic projects. Like, share, and subscribe. Never stop learning, and I will see you in the next video.